Hi everyone, and welcome to the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen, sponsored by TSET. I'm Heidi. I am here with Chef Val from OUTU School of Community Medicine. I always like to get that out there. All right, we are in summer, so tell us what we're making today.
So we need a sweet, cold treat for
Yes.
summertime, right? So you can make just any flavor combination that trips your trigger, okay?
Okay.
But we are gonna do some mango, a little bit of yogurt, some lime juice and zest, and honey, and make some popsicles.
Perfect.
It's totally easy. Yesterday we made several kinds. We made a little bit of yogurt and dark cherry.
Okay.
What were you gonna say?
Oh, I was just going to say, and this is just based on the ingredients when you were listing them, is just trying to avoid all the artificial flavorings and the sugars and things like that. You're just finding healthy options.
Right, this is natural sugar, natural color, and a natural sweetener. You still have to be careful with honey. I mean, it still has
Right.
calories.
But it sure is good.
Yeah, it's delicious. So we're gonna go in with just a little bit of honey, and then we're gonna use some lime zest and
Okay.
lime juice. And the yogurt is gonna give it a little bit of that acidity that we're looking for too.
Okay. And again, this is like any flavoring that you might like, particular fruit, doesn't matter. It's just a nice cold treat for the summer, for kids, adults, everybody.
Right. All right, so I'm just gonna blend this a little bit.
Okay.
Maybe, there we go. Okay, so this is a nice liquidy mixture. If you don't get it liquidy enough,
Okay.
Then it won't freeze as solid as it needs to.
Oh, that's true.
So we're just gonna fill these.
Okay.
And it's a little bit of a messy process. Maybe there is an easier way to do it.
So you're just filling them up, and then obviously you're sticking them in the freezer.
Yep, we're sticking them in the freezer. And I'm gonna say that several hours or even overnight is best. And so these little popsicle molds, you don't have to have these fancy ones. These are silicone. Put the stick right in there like
Okay.
this. Freeze, like I said, a few hours or at least overnight. These molds, they just came from Amazon. They cost about $15. But
Okay.
popsicles, I mean, especially the fruit popsicles, they're fairly expensive at the grocery store. Not like your flavor ice, okay? Those are cheap.
Right,
We're gonna be
right.
honest, but those are just sugar.
But the actual like true fruit bars have
Right.
some of that in there where they're more expensive.
Right, and so they are more expensive, and so making your own much more economical.
That's true.
So we
I
made
get time.
several, yes.
And it does beat the plastic ice cube tray from back in the day.
Okay,
doesn't it?
and you still could do that. You absolutely could do that.
Which you
though.
could do.
Yes.
Okay, so there's a few. Oops, I lost some
Yeah,
of it.
that's a cherry yogurt, like a cherries and cream. And this one was just our smoothie that we've made on air before. So it's just frozen berries, kale.
Oh, really?
Yeah, there's a little bit of citrus
So you can
in
get
there.
a little bit of everything in these popsicles,
Yes.
and the kids aren't going
Right.
to
These
aren't going to
even
know.
have protein powder in them. They even,
Ah.
yeah.
Perfect. All right, I don't know
try
which one.
one.
I don't know which
Whichever
one to
one you
try.
want.
They're so good.
That one's really yummy.
It's very good, and it's like having a regular popsicle, but yet you're getting some of those healthy alternatives in
Right.
there at the same time. Thank you so much, as always. If you want to learn more about these recipes or any of the other recipes and enjoy a sweet summer treat, go ahead and head to kjrh.com.